What you're looking at are two Cazal frames. They need very little introduction. Cazal owners know exactly what they have. Beautiful handcrafted German frames. Two of the Cazal Legends I'm going to show you today are the Cazal 607 Legends and the Cazal Legends 623. At All American Eyeglass Repair, we get calls and emails on a daily basis wanting to know, can we work on these frames and or get replacement parts? And the answer to both those questions is yes. Let me just kind of give you an idea about what a couple of the parts are called. So this part of the frame here is called the frame front. And I've actually taken the temple off. So the part that goes over your ear on the right and left side is actually called the temple. This is probably the piece we replace most often. A couple different things we can do. If we need to replace hinges by welding them, we can do that. If we need to replace the entire temple, we carry some of these in stock. Other ones we may have to order. The Cazal Legends lines, many different styles. The 607, the 623 are two that you see here. If you need replacement parts, if you need to have them welded or worked on, please contact us at All American Eyeglass Repair. We're here to help you.